Hey everyone, welcome back to JNTUH concepts. So in this video we are going to discuss manager duties and responsibilities. So before starting this topic, if you are new to the JNTUH channel, in this channel we cover all the JNTUH subjects that are important for your university exams and semester exams. So we discuss all those topics which comes under the syllabus of JNTU universities like JNTUA, JNTUH, JNTUK and etc. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, do like this video, and without any late, let's get into our today's topic. So our today's topic is manager duties and responsibilities. So let's start with manager duties. So manager duty is nothing but it's a simple definition. The duties that are basic or the responsibilities aligned to the manager in construction technology and management subject or in construction field. So the primary duties of a manager in construction is project planning and scheduling. So it ensures that the project is well organized and the progress is happening smoothly. For that, he or she, usually the manager, has to prepare a project plan, work breakdown, decide sequence of activities, resource allocation using tools like CPM, bar charts, etc. to decide the deadlines of the project. The second duty of a manager is resource management, the efficient usage and initialization of manpower, materials, equipment. For that, assigning staff and labor as per requirement and maintenance of stack and timely supply to avoid delays. The third manager duty is supervising site activities. It ensures proper execution of work at site, monitor daily work progress and schedule, coordinate with engineers, coordinators, etc. Quality assurance and control, conducting inspections and quality checks. It ensures the use of approved materials, ensuring safety on site, protection of workers and ensure a healthy work environment by implementing safety regulations and provide PPE, personal protection equipment to workers to reduce accidents and risk in the working environment. Contract and documentation management. Manager ensures smooth documentation and compliance, reviewing tender documents, specification, handling legal issues, negotiations, maintaining reports, etc. Communication and coordination. Manager Manager promotes teamwork and prevent misunderstandings. He has to be conducting meetings with clients, teams, stakeholders, etc. A manager also has to maintain regular communication and reporting, problem solving and decision making. A manager has to handle unexpected issues like delays, disputes, or natural shortages and modify plans and implement according actions to them. Timely completion and handover. They have to ensure that the project is completed on time and final inspections. At the end, a clear handover is done to the clients. So manager responsibilities. Delivering project on time. A manager has to responsible to ensure that the project is completed within the planned schedule. They must monitor progress and avoid delays. And they also has to be adjusting plans as needed. Controlling project cost. A manager has to keep project within the approved budget through reducing wastage, monitoring expenditure, and cost estimation. All these are general key points like ensuring quality standard, managing resources, ensure safety on working site, handling contracts and documentation, ensuring legal and regulatory compliance, handover and client satisfaction. So these points are repeated in the manager duties and responsibilities. Have some key points that are same. So you just need to understand the subheadings like deliver project on time, controlling project cost, etc. And you can just define them with your corresponding matter as the controlling project cost says that they have to keep project within approved budget, like that. Ensuring quality standard is nothing but the manager has to be taking care of the quality of materials that are used in construction and the quality management. Managing resources stands for the efficient usage of resources, like not to waste materials and not to use them very much, just to maintain a balance between exceptional usage and worst usage. Ensuring safety on working site. So a manager has to be taking care of the workers' safety in the working site. He has to be giving the PPE kits, that is personal protection equipment, helmets, etc. to the workers who are working inside. Handling contracts and documentation. He has to be taking care of the tender documents and the all required documents that are usually considered in the construction field. He has to be maintaining all of them. Ensuring legal and regulatory compliances. He has to be responsible for the legal and regulatory rules of the project, like about the land related, about the project related, about the budget, about the stakeholders, etc. All that. Handover and client satisfaction. The manager is responsible from the start of this project to the end of the project. The end of the project is nothing but handing over the project to the client and making sure that the client is satisfied by the project or not. He has to be considering the client's changes and the requirements that may come in between the construction. He has to be dealing all that. So that is all about the manager duties and responsibilities. It is a small topic and more on the theoretical side. So that is about manager duties and responsibilities in construction technology and management subject. So it comes in the third year first semester in R23 regulation. So I hope you have understood this concept, and in our next video we'll be covering the public relations topic. So thanks for watching, do subscribe and keep learning.